just Momotaro, Heisei version. In the Heisei era, a boy named Momotaro-kun lived in a rural town. Momotaro was absorbed in the game every day while carrying his parents' expectations. One day, Momotaro, who is in trouble, meets a lonely dog, a monkey, and a pheasant. They work together to stand up to protect the town from the bad war army. Momotaro, who was a game enthusiast, will learn the importance of teamwork with his friends. In the end, Momotaro and the others were able to get rid of the Boer army and regain a peaceful town. The end.